Hi everyone, it's Bryn from Coral Designs Art Studios. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making this fun little chick. It's springtime and I thought it would be a cute little craft to do. So here's what you'll need. Okay, so the one thing that was hard to see from the pictures is you'll need a bit of glue. It's some of that tacky glue that we used back in school, so make sure you have that handy. So what you're going to do is you are going to first take some cardboard. It's always good to recycle, and I always like to promote reducing, reusing, recycling. So, just use a piece of cardboard that maybe came along with some packaging that you recently got. And you are going to draw an egg shape. My trick with the egg shape, or what I suggest, is to try to make it as round as possible. Try not to make the tip very pointy, because when I was trying this out I found that if the tip is too pointy, the wool doesn't stay very securely onto the top point of your egg. So try and make it an even kind of egg shape. So then of course you're going to, once you've drawn your egg shape onto the cardboard, you're going to cut it out using your scissors. Be careful. If you're a child, please do ask an adult for assistance with this. And then you are going to take your wool, sort of get it ready. Right, so make sure it's unwound. You can use any color wool. I actually have some green wool here too, so your chicks don't have to be yellow. You can make them pink, you can make them green, you can make them blue, you can make them any color your heart desires. So whatever you have on hand, if you have some scrap wool, then use that. So what you're gonna do is you are going to, with a little glue stick, take a bit of this tacky glue and put it sort of in the middle of your egg. Okay, so then you're going to affix, just hold it there, your egg, your string, your wool onto it, hold it down for a couple of seconds, and then all you're going to do is simply start winding your wool around your egg. Now of course there's no rhyme or reason in the way you do this. You can make it any direction you want. You can go from bottom to end. You can do whatever you like. Just keep winding that wool around your egg. Now the goal is to try and cover as much of your cardboard as possible with the yellow string, but you know what, if some of it doesn't get covered, then that's okay. You can always, before you cover the cardboard, you can always put some yellow paper, construction paper on top. So next thing you need to do is secure the end of the wool with a bit of glue. So that's the front. It's kind of like a rustic little chick. The next thing you need to do is, with your orange construction paper, cut out a beak. So here we have our little beak. And again, take a bit of the glue and put some glue on the back and affix it to the little chick. Okay, and I also have my googly eyes here. Oops, sorry. My googly eyes. So again, all it takes a bit of the tacky glue, school glue, put some on the back, and stick them right on. It's so funny how, like, if you just put eyes on anything, whether it's something you're cooking, cookies, or like a little chick like this, it just makes everything come alive. It's kind of interesting, but anyways, that's a discussion for another day. And last but not least, you're going to cut out some feet. They don't have to be perfect little chick feet, just whatever your imagination comes up with, and then put some glue on one part of it and affix it to the back. Oops, that glue's gonna dry anyway, so it's okay. And then your other foot. Again, a little bit of glue. There we go. And again, I'm just kind of putting it on the back there. And there we go. A little check for Easter or the beginning of spring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.